Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a master technician today.
Hi, I'm Kevin with RVFix. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a bladed fuse on your 12-volt Furrion refrigerator. So if you come to turn your fridge on and there's no power on at all, no lights when you're turning it on or off, the first place you want to check, there's a vent covering right down under here, and it just has 2 screws, one on each side right there. I'm just going to get those guys lift up slightly. It comes off these little tabs on the bottom right here. And then tucked right down under here, we have a fuse holder that's going to have a 15 amp bladed fuse. And you just want to check that fuse if you have no power. That one's actually blown right there. Then we would replace that fuse, put it back in there, turn it on, make sure it doesn't pop for you again, and just put your cover back on there. Line up your tabs at the bottom, and it'll push down onto those a little bit. Line up your screws. Just like that.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry, we're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a master technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.